Guys, it is very hard for me to use my phone and drive at the same time.
Fortunately, with our next generation technology, we can actually drive and use our phone at the same time using the AI.
You guys must be very curious about that, right?
Don't worry, today we're gonna explain to you about autonomous driving and what it means and how it works.
Let's get it. So what is actually autonomous driving? Autonomous driving means the self-driving of a vehicle to a specific target in real traffic without the intervention of a human driver.
Basically, it is a driverless drive.
Driverless drive. Before we go deep into autonomous driving, we are going to tell you guys some of the AI technologies that has already been used nowadays. First is available collision mitigation braking system, which has a camera that will censor any car or vehicle in front of us to avoid collision between two cars.
Yes. Basically, if you get too close to the car, it will brake by itself to avoid accident.
Alright, next we have available Honda Lane Watch blind spot display.
Yep.
So basically, this sensing feature has a camera beside the car that will sense any car besides our car.
Yes, the one that the side mirror couldn't see, which the driver will know, I think. Okay, next we're gonna go into our main topic of today, which is Tesla and their vision on autonomous driving.
Do you guys know that Elon Musk said that car with no anatomy is as useful as a horse?
Basically, when he said this, he is comparing our nowadays car, which has no autonomy, with the horse, which are used for the travel back in the days, and also used as now, but it is not as functional as our car nowadays. Nobody want to use a horse right now because our car is more futuristic compared to a horse, and that's what he mean by autonomous driving. Because in the future, all the people will use autonomous driving, and nobody want to use normal car anymore.
So as we explained just now, it uses many sensors and combined with the ability of AI and help driver to have an easier drive.
A sensor around the car, like I said just now, and they use the sensor and camera for multi-direction, and this able auto steer to function. We will show you the vector space here, and that is how they process the information.
Elon Musk once again said that their hardware is fully ready. It's just their software that will gradually be upgraded and uses better AI functionality.
He also claimed that autonomous driving is 200% safer compared to normal driving. This is according to the statistic, which accident per mile is more efficient compared to the normal car.
They are developing autopilot, a totally driverless car that can navigate, steer and brake by itself with no command at all from the owner. All done by AI in their self-made chip.
But now, they're also developing the chip which is called full self-driving, or FSD in short.
FSD.
This is the FSD. You can see it look similar of the CPU of the computer, or maybe even the graphic card of the computer, and it will be put in all the model of the new car of Tesla for the next future years.
This chip replaces the current NVIDIA chip they are currently using. This chip is already capable of FSD as claimed by Elon Musk.
This is a few Tesla car that has already been put the FSD chip.
So basically, that's all from us. Hopefully that the technology will be commonly used by most of the company in Malaysia.
Yes, because that will make our life as a driver easier and also safer to drive here in Malaysia, where there is commonly jam traffic everywhere.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So that's all from us. Thank you. See ya.